We are now in Kish, Iran. Okay, this is Donna. Yan, para makita nila what is Iran. That is Jolly. Sige, tignan nyo ang daanan.
Talagang ini-enjoy yan.
Kaya tingnan ako nung pagpunta ako sa rock. Naka-video. So, Iran has no tall buildings, very rare.
Sa kaila mo, desert. Doon desert na.
Yeah, there. That is Iran.
Nothing.
Nothing. There. Destroyed by Iraq. Dolphin roundabout. Square pala. City Center, oh. Punta tayo City Center. Finish na bang City Center nila? Oh.
Ha?
Finish na ba? Oh.
Hindi ko alam din.
Where is our hotel? That is called this. That is our
How
hotel.
much?
Yeah. Oh, I'll just pay you later. 5 lang.
Ito na din.
Ganda.
Ito na.